Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Calendars, Schedule Planner app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Calendars, Schedule Planner is a productivity and time management app designed to help users organize tasks, events, and appointments in one place. It combines a powerful calendar view with to-do list features, allowing users to plan their day, week, or month effortlessly. The app syncs smoothly with popular services like Google Calendar and iCloud, making it easy to access all your events across multiple devices. It's available for both iOS and Android users who want a unified scheduling experience. The app's main feature is its intuitive interface. Users can drag and drop events, set custom reminders, and create tasks or recurring appointments with ease. It also offers color-coded calendars for better organization and supports offline access, ensuring you can manage your schedule even without internet connectivity. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise its clean layout, reliable syncing, and flexible customization options. The ability to manage both tasks and events within the same interface makes it especially useful for students, professionals, and families. The app's quick scheduling and smart reminders help prevent missed deadlines or overlapping meetings. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional syncing delays with third-party calendars or notifications that fail to trigger on time. Additionally, advanced features like multiple calendar management or collaboration tools may require a premium upgrade. For users who only need a basic planner, the app's depth might feel unnecessary. In summary, the Calendars, Schedule Planner app may be worth using if you're looking for an all-in-one tool to organize your events, reminders, and tasks efficiently. However, if you only need a simple calendar without advanced options, lighter alternatives might serve you just as well. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.